year. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Now that I actually have some free time to do my makeup, I'm going to do a little tutorial for you guys featuring Anastasia Riviera palette. This palette is bomb if you don't have it. And I'm actually going to work. Well, this is actually the last day that I was working as a bartender until this whole corona mess happens. So I wanted to look super cute because, as you guys know, as a bartender, the cuter you look, the bigger your tips. Oh, as you guys might know, I usually freestyle. I don't really have like a set look in mind, but this palette is super inspirational, so I'm just going with the flow, y'all. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is actually, it's like silver-ish. Yeah, it's silver. This is perfect for if you're not good at blending or if you don't feel like going through the hassle of using glue and glitter. This is like the perfect substitute, and that's what kind of mood I was in. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And I totally realized that this Maybelline 24 Hour Stay foundation is a little dark for me. This is actually my summertime shade, but I've been really cheap with my makeup lately. I haven't bought any new foundations, but I did get a gift card for MAC that I've had for like 2 months now. It's like $8, so I need to spend that. Anywho, going in with this 24 Hour Stay, I do love this foundation, but this the only thing is that it dries down really fast, so I recommend that you blend it out as quick as possible and put it in the respective areas in your face really quickly too. And these are Virgo bitch lashes. These are from the birthday collection. It's actually sold out, but if you like these lashes, and check out my website, because we're going to be launching some different lash styles as well. These are fire. As y'all can see, you don't need no eyeliner with these lashes. They look like they're growing from my lid with no liner, sis. This is what real lashes should look like, okay? That other stuff y'all be rocking, stay away from AliExpress. Keep them AliExpress lashes over there, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with my Artist Couture highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter right now, in the shade Yas. And girl, look at that. That pigment is out of this fucking world. But yeah, his highlighters, I think it's by Manny, the influencer, but his highlighters are expensive, but girl, they are the bomb. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they are really good highlighters, so I definitely think you should buy them. And for the final touch, I'm going to go ahead with our JJuheard Cosmetics gloss in the shade Glitzy. This is the perfect shade if you want to be a boss bitch in your glitter and still look the fuck good. I wear this gloss all the time, like without makeup, so it's really good for that. It's a clear base with holographic glitters, so I definitely recommend this if you have dry lips. If you out here cracking. And I recommend this if you want to use it with a brown liner. I use it with pink liners, brown liners, to add some depth to my lips. So yeah, what y'all think, y'all? Comment below and let me know if you feeling this look or you not feeling it. I want to hear, okay? All right, y'all, I gotta get this money. Okay. Alright y'all, thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification buttons to get notified. Alright y'all, have a good week. Bye.